Do you ever wonder why your tension in your neck muscles keep coming back despite how many times you massage it and stretch it? And that's because the tension is not in the muscles actually, it is in your nervous system, and that's what you gotta change. So in today's video, we will explore a very gentle way to change your habitual patterns in the nervous system to release the tension in your neck. This is very simple. You'll be surprised how simple this movement practice is. Let's sit on the chair or the floor comfortably. If you're sitting on a chair, please move away from the backrest. And you can have your hands on your thighs, relaxed. And please take a moment to notice. Bring attention to your shoulders. Close your eyes, please. You don't have to watch the screen. You can listen to my verbal guidance. Eyes closed. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Notice your shoulders, right shoulder, left shoulder. Notice the height of the shoulders. Distance between the ear, your right ear and the right shoulder, left ear and to the left shoulder. Notice the distance. And I'm going to pick the right shoulder, my right shoulder, but you can do whichever side you like to do this practice. Easy, so easy. What you're going to do is very gently and slowly and begin to raise one shoulder. For me, I'm doing with my right shoulder. I'm raising my right shoulder very slowly. And then hold it there. And notice the distance between the ear and the shoulder of the raised side. Take a moment and stay there for a few seconds. Can you sense that the distance has decreased? And if you do pay attention to your shoulder and the neck, and you begin to notice some effort, obviously, the neck and shoulder muscles on that side is contracting more. So you can feel some effort. And then eventually you begin to notice some fatigue. And to notice that, once you notice that effort and the change in the shoulder height, and then slowly, very slowly begin to let go of the right shoulder. Slowly let go, don't drop it, just let it go, release it slowly. And now, take a moment to notice the distance between the ear and the shoulder now. Do you feel the increased distance? And compare to the other side, which shoulder feels lower now? Just within a few seconds, the brain has learned that tension that it has been carrying for just no reason, habitually. By paying attention to your body, to your shoulder and the neck, and you sense that there is unnecessary contraction and an effort, and then the brain let go and notice the distance. Then, now, you can feel the difference. Here, I can actually see my right shoulder is lower than my left shoulder. It's quite amazing, right? It is a reminder that during the day, unconsciously, habitually, maintaining very unnecessary contraction and effort. So in a way, not to this degree, but many of us carry the tension and hold the shoulders up like so, right? But then bringing that into your attention, your awareness, by sensing that, and then the brain can let go. And then now you feel the difference here. So notice how you feel, how the right side of the neck, the shoulder feels longer compared to the other side. You can see the difference here. So tell me how you feel right now, right? So you may believe that the tension, the tightness exists in the muscles. Not true. The brain, your nervous system, controls how you move. So unless you change that communication, right, between the brain and your muscles, then same thing happens. This is why massaging, stretching, how many times you can do multiple times a day, but yet your brain sends the same message to the muscles and then starts to bring it back up. Wonder why? It feels tight all the time. That is why. Right? By doing this practice, maybe I'll say 3 times a day, and during the day when you are especially working, take just a 1-minute break and then do this. Notice it, feel it, and the brain recognizes and let go. Then you can start to retrain and move you out of the habitual holding patterns. That's very simple. If this approach resonated with you, imagine what is possible when you explore this approach more deeply. I dive into these ideas in my free masterclass, and that is a great next step for you if you're curious about breaking the pain tension cycle and moving with ease. And if you found this video helpful, and please like the video and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below and how this felt for you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.